Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to emote in Apex Legends. First, you need to make sure you have an emote unlocked. Emotes are usually earned from the Battle Pass, events, or special bundles. Once you're in a match, you can only use emotes while skydiving or in specific situations like some limited modes. When you're dropping from the ship, press and hold the emote button. On PC, the default is H key. On PlayStation, hold the down button on the D-pad. As well as Xbox, you hold down the down button on the D-pad. This will open the emote wheel. Choose the emote that you want, and your legend will perform it while in the air. You can also equip or change your emotes by going to Legend Locker, selecting the legend that you want. Select your legend, click on the emote wheel, and here you will find the emotes. Equip the emote that you want, and then that's it. That is how you emote in Apex Legends.